Hello and welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm going to be doing something that I've been wanting to do for quite a while, which is a nude to clear ombre and also a bling ombre. So this color isn't really a nude, it's too pink for me to be a nude. I mean maybe to some people it's a nude, but that's not really a nude, to be honest. So anyway, I'm just ombreing these nails right now, and there's nothing really special about this. I'm just ombreing. I didn't really roughen up the tips first, because you don't even have to do that on like a normal set. Blending the tip in with a natural nail is important though, but like the acrylic is gonna stick to the tip even if you don't rough up the surface. Now I'm capping the nails in clear, and I decided to make sure that towards the tip of the nail that it wasn't really that thick, so I wasn't too like worrying about structure, because I'm gonna be adding bling to the tip anyway. But the apex, I made that thick enough, I think. So I don't know how anybody else does this, but I decided to apply some bling glue at the tip of the nail, and then I grabbed my brush and I just brushed it all up where I think that I would have placed some bling. And then after that I put a top coat on, because you are not gonna want to forget to put the top coat on. I did that on the first nail, that's why I didn't show the first nail. So apply your top coat after you apply the bling glue. So starting off, I'm starting with like these big stones. I didn't want to do this, but I didn't have enough tiny stones to do the design, so I had to use big stones at the beginning. So I'm just going all the way up the nail, and as I go up I'm gradually getting smaller in stone size and dispersing the stones more as I go up the nail. And that's it for the video. Hope you enjoyed. It was a very easy, simple design, and I hope you like it. Bye.